Hey guys, we have the Oukitel K6. This retails for around about £200 and the specs are very similar to what the Verni X is. So let's open this box and take a look. SIM tray tool with just some manuals and a warranty card, I believe. Quite a lot of space used up just for that. USB Type-C charging cable, and we have an adapter for the 3.5mm port because again on the Oukitel K6 they have dropped the 3.5mm port from the phone. Oh, and an OTG cable, cool. And the USB charging block. Okay, here it goes for the K6. Right, so it does come with a silicone case. Let's take that off, take the screen protectors off. Wow, this is a thick phone. Beautiful. Beautiful back as well. So there is quite a bit of weight to it. Thickness is around about 10mm. I saw on the website. So another beautiful looking phone. It is aluminium alloyed body. So at the bottom here we have USB Type-C speaker and just a tiny hole for the microphone, volume rocker up and down, and power. Nothing at the top. There's no obviously 3.5mm port. And on the side there we have the SIM tray. Let's see how heavy this device is. I do have these scales at the back here. So the device weighs 259 grams. Quite a heavy phone compared to the Google Pixel, which is 166. So the K6 does have some impressive specifications. It has dual front-facing cameras with a 13MP and 8MP lens, flashlight there at the front, and what seems to be a proximity sensor and maybe LED notification. Again, on the back it has dual rear cameras. This is 21MP and an 8MP lens with LED flashlight and fingerprint sensor just below that. It also supports Face ID unlock, so it'll be interesting to see how well that performs. It also has 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Another bonus in this phone, which you don't get much in budget phones, is it has NFC, so contactless payments. You better use it for that and other stuff as well. Let me set this up then. So here we go, another excellent screen. This is full HD IPS panel, 6 inches, and a screen ratio of 18:9. Let's set the fingerprint sensor up. Yep, that's working. Pretty quick as well. Cool. Okay, so let's set up the face unlock. I'm just going to display my face in front of the camera. Here it goes. Okay, that's added. Done. Now if I put my face in front of this, it should unlock. So you have to press the power first. And unlocked. And again. That's pretty quick as well. Okay, so let's try this 21MP camera out. We're on 16:9, full screen. Video settings, it's at 1080p, that's fine. Here we go. 1080p on the Oukitel K6. Autofocus seems to be snappy. What's the audio quality like? And is it smooth? Again, bottom left is the frame rates and the resolution of the video. Okay. 13MP with the screen ratio of 16:9. Go. Video mode, front facing camera. What we got here? 720p front facing. Okay, normally you get 480p. Let's test it. Front facing video camera, 720p on the Oukitel K6. Doesn't look too bad. Cool. Okay, I can show you now we are in blur mode. And hopefully you can make out the blurriness. The rear camera, let's cover the lens. Which one? Oh, you see the little message at the top, look. And the blur effect stops. Move away. And the blur effect kicks in again. Do it again. Blur effect stops. Blur effect kicks in. So rear dual cameras are real. Front facing in blur. There is quite blur there, you can see. Let's cover the bottom one. You don't get no message and it still stays blurred. So that says to me the bottom lens there is just a dummy one. Doesn't seem to be dual front facing, unfortunately. But you do get that blur effect with the other one, which I'm covering now. Okay, so here is the K6 screen. Again, looks absolutely stunning. (2160 by 1080p) IPS screen. Some good colours. With that fantastic 18:9 aspect ratio, and in YouTube you can pinch zoom as well. So K6 audio. This is just over halfway volume and it's already quite loud. Super loudspeaker. Bloody hell. It's super loud, guys, it really is. It is super loud, but you do suffer slightly from a degrade in sound quality there, but it is a very loud speaker. So just thought I'd show you lastly, NFC is there, turn it on and I'll be testing that as well, see how that functions. But this is pretty much it for the unboxing of the K6 and the quick hands-on. Again, another impressive smartphone with impressive specs, around about £200. Stunning, real excellent build quality and like I said, some very impressive specs. So just to finish very quickly, one of these is the Oukitel K6 and one is the Verni X. Looking at both of them here, they look absolutely identical. What I want you to do now is guess which one is which, and I'll give you a few moments to do that. So if you said Verni X was on the right, then you'd be absolutely correct. And if you said the K6 was on the left, you'd be absolutely correct. Very identical phones, as you can see. I will be doing comparisons on both phones as specifications are very close. The K6 has NFC when that one doesn't, but then this has got 128 gigabytes of storage. That's got 64. They've both got 6-inch screens, they're both 18:9. They both have huge batteries, with the K6 just 100 milliamp more. But that is for another video. But you can see, look, even the bezels are identical. This should be an interesting comparison. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the K6 unboxing and quick hands-on. Any questions, please comment below. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.